in a historic move that underscores Egypt's evolving military strategy. The nation has taken a significant step towards modernizing its air force. Egypt has become the second country, following Pakistan, to place an order for China's Chengdu J-10C Vigorous Dragon fighter jets. This decision marks a pivotal shift in Egypt's defense landscape, reveals Egypt's intent to replace its aging fleet of US F-16. The announcement was made during the inaugural Egypt International Air Show held from September 3rd to 5th at the Alamein International Airport. The J-10C, a highly capable 4.5 generation multirole fighter jet, was showcased by China for the first time on African soil during the air show. It features advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, making it a formidable alternative to Egypt's current fleet. Known for its air superiority missions, the J-10C has often been compared to the American F-16, which has been the backbone of the Egyptian Air Force since the 1980s. However, with Egypt's F-16s now considered outdated against modern air defense systems, the decision to transition to the Chinese fighters underscores a major upgrade in Egypt's combat capabilities. This move not only signals Egypt's intent to reduce its reliance on U.S. defense systems, but also reflects a broader shift in its international alliances. Despite a long-standing defense relationship with the U.S., evidenced by a recent acquisition of C-130J Hercules transport aircraft through the U.S. Foreign Military Sales Program, Egypt is clearly looking eastward. The decision comes amid growing concerns over U.S. policies in the Middle East, including its stance on Israeli operations in Gaza, which may have influenced Cairo's pivot to Chinese military technology. China's increasing presence in the Middle East and North Africa is bolstered by such deals, as Beijing continues to expand its influence through military cooperation and economic partnerships, particularly in energy imports. The Egypt International Air Show provided a platform for showcasing this growing military-industrial relationship. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section.